This video will talk you through the typical installation method for Mabey Hire's Vertishore. Our Vertishore system should only be used for short durations in good, dry and self-supporting ground. Vertishore will typically be delivered as a pre-assembled frame. Vertishore is designed to fold, so take care to avoid trapping fingers in the pinch points located at the pivot points when manually handling the shores. Excavate ground to the required depth and then position the pre-assembled frame next to the edge of the trench. Make sure the fitting side of the hydraulic struts are on the lower rail and connect the pump hose to the fitting on the hydraulic struts nearest to the handle. Link the hook on the blue release tool to the lower rail handle, grip the top rail handle with your hand and walk the shore to the edge of the excavation. In a controlled manner, lower the frame and allow it to unfold into the excavation. Ensure the frame is vertical and the hydraulic struts are always 90 degrees to the rails. Once the frame is positioned correctly and sits square in the trench, the hydraulic struts can be pressurized with the pump provided. The rails should be in full contact with the surrounding soil when pressurized, and the top hydraulic strut should be below ground level. To remove the pump hose, place the blue release tool through the handle on the rail and position the end block behind the fitting. Once in position, lever the tool towards you and the hose coupling will release. Install other Vertishore as required. Backing boards can also be supplied to prevent pockets of loose material entering the excavation. It is now safe to access the excavation safely, with a ladder placed between the pressurized frames. It is only safe to access the trench between two Vertishores. Never enter the ends of the trench. To release the pressure from the hydraulic struts, place the blue release tool through the handle and position the end block against the fitting. Next, attach the orange removal hook to the opposite handle furthest away from you. With a pivoting action, push the release tool forwards to release shoring fluid and pressure from the hydraulic struts. At the same time, pull the removal hook towards you to retract the hydraulic struts further. Next, pull up on the removal hook to fold the frame up and walk away, pulling the frame out of the trench. Repeat this process for removing all remaining Vertishore frames, making sure to backfill the open unsupported trench as each one is removed. Once removed, backfill the open unsupported trench as soon as possible. Once complete, all equipment should be cleaned, ready for reuse or collection. This video is to be viewed in conjunction with the detailed written user guide, which is available to download from our website.